LARI is a governmental organization under the Ministry of Agriculture supervision. The institute conducts applied and basic scientific research for the development and advancement of the agricultural sector in Lebanon. In addition, the institute keeps close ties with the farmers and tries to develop research activities aiming at solving their problems. Currently, the Department of Olive and Olive Oil at LARI is working in partnership with several institutions on a European project called the Cross-Border Living Laboratories for Agroforestry or LIVINGAGRO project.
LIVINGAGRO is a project funded under the NECBC MED program 2014-2020 with a total budget of 3.3 million euros. The project involves 6 organizations from 4 different countries located on both shores of the Mediterranean basin: Italy, Greece, Lebanon, and Jordan. It started on September 1st, 2019, and is expected to end on August 2022.
LIVINGAGRO addresses the challenge of knowledge and technological transfer in Mediterranean agriculture and forestry systems for achieving and sharing good practices aimed at sustainable production, protecting biodiversity, enhancing the transfer of innovation and increasing profitability for territories and main actors, as well as all stakeholders involved. Using an open innovation approach for co-creating economic and social values and interactions between supply and demand, eliminating geographical and cultural barriers, 2 living laboratories will be established. The first one, the Living Laboratory 1, will be focusing on olive multifunctional systems, and the second one, the Living Laboratory 2, is focusing on grazed woodlands.
Among the activities of the project, a questionnaire was prepared and addressed to stakeholders at the beginning of the project in order to assess their specific needs for innovation. As a result of the analysis of the questionnaires, it was clear that one of the main problems that many farmers are facing is related to soil erosion and poor soil fertility. Accordingly, and in order to enhance soil conservation and reduce fertilization costs, many field trials were established within the Work Package 4 of the LIVINGAGRO project.
One of these trials was established in an organically grown olive orchard located at Abra region in the south of Lebanon, where we are present right now. The experiment started in December 2020 in order to study the effect of green manure and green cover on soil characteristics and on different olive yield parameters.
I'm working with the LIVINGAGRO team on the experiment conducted in olive orchard here in Abra, South Lebanon. The experiment consists of 5 treatments with 3 repetitions, described according to the randomized complete block design. As you can see, the first treatment is based on cultivating vetch in row between olive trees. In the second one, we cultivated barley and vetch in the same way. Here, in the third one, we didn't do any intervention. No tillage, the spontaneous vegetation will be cut and left on the soil surface as a natural mulch. The first one, we will do tillage only once. It is a minimum tillage. Finally, the 5th treatment is a control where tillage is applied according to farmers' traditional practices, 2 to 4 tillage in a year.
We had started our project 10 years back. We planted over 350,000 square meters, approximately 6,000 olive trees. We brought them from Italy, and we are producing since 5 years extra virgin olive oil. It's a winning product in New York, in Italy, in Greece, and in Japan. We are proud of what we are doing. We are cooperating with LARI and the Ministry of Agriculture, and we thank them for their support in this project, Living Agro project, for the reducing of the erosion of the soil. We thank the EU for their support and for the improvement of the quality of olive oil in Lebanon and for the quality of product that we produce.